Hello, so I am going to show you how to get through rounds 3 and 4 of the Millie and Mortimer Elephant by Auburn Elephant. So this is after round 2 of the body. So you start with a single, in the magic ring, single crochet 8, 2 in each round. So I have 16 around this circle here. We're going to chain 1 to do the next round. We single crochet in the first stitch, the same as the join, and then we're going to start attaching our legs. So just grab any of the legs. I like to join over the seam so that it just kind of puts it all in the middle. It doesn't really matter. So you're going to go through one of those stitches first, through the next stitch on the body, yarn over, pull through to slip stitch those two together, and then you're going to do the next one and through the next on that circle from round 2, pull all the way through. So this is the tail from the leg. I left it attached. You could weave it in. It just gets a little bit in the way, but I'd rather tuck it in than do it again. So you're going to slip stitch a third. Okay, so now you've got one leg attached. You're doing 2 single crochets into the next stitch on round 2. So an increase there. Then you need your next leg. And you're going to do that same thing. So insert through there, through the next stitch on the circle, slip stitch that one, slip stitch, I'm going to keep through, slip stitch to the next, and a third time. Okay, and so now you have 2 attached, and then you're going to do 2 single crochets into the next stitch on round 2. And now we're doing leg 3. Same thing, insert through the next stitch from round 2, yarn over, pull through all, which is a slip stitch, and then do 2 more, 2 and 3. 2 single crochets into the next stitch on round 2, which I consider the belly. You might see it called that in the pattern. And then you've got your last leg. So then insert, slip stitch 1, going through the next, 2 and 3. So that brings you all the way around. That used all of your stitches from round 2. The last is just a single crochet into that first stitch from the round. So this is, if you notice, there's an increase in between each of the legs. So this just makes that increase, but it keeps your join in the middle. So then you'll slip stitch to join to the top of that round.